So yeah guys, I tried the most delicious dosna in Laitumkra, and yeah, after that we bought fruits and did some shopping, and yeah, you can see how dark it looks like. Okay, after that, mirrors and film guys, it's my obsession again. You can see it's backless. We went to buy some fruits and then some shopping from Anderson. You guys know this place. And then we went to Ilahui to buy some shades for myself, but unfortunately we didn't get any. I did get one, but it was too expensive out of my budget, so we didn't buy it. And you can see this one, cool, right? And here we are looking for some cooking heater because we're facing cylinder shortage. Yes guys. And so here you can see these eatables. They're looking so tempting, you guys. Ta-da! Let me show you what I got from Zudio. I got some kajal, mascara, body spray, a primer, and yes, of course, I got these leather pants from Anderson, this denim dress for my sister, which of course I will be stealing later. So yeah guys, that's it. Bye-bye!